The brand that I chose for this project is Works. I shared my brand research with my participant panel. This helped them understand the aesthetics and brand identity of Works. I also shared what products they offer and what different ranges they have so that my panel can get a better understanding of the brand. I then asked my participants what problems they experience when using certain power tools, home appliances, or what problems they experience at home in general. This also included anything that annoyed them. When I got feedback from my panel, some of the problems identified in the workshop were having to change drill bits to different sizes constantly, the LED light on the drill bit not shining directly on the point of contact. When using a jigsaw, the dust created from cutting always covers up the reference cutting line, and then it's impossible to see where you are actually cutting. And then often when using a drill, it can be a struggle to drill a hole into tight corners or tight spaces without drilling it skew. The rest of the problems that my panel identified were home, kitchen, and garden problems. The first being having to clean the bath and shower is always a nuisance, and having to bend down causes a sore back. With current bolt-on cutters, they are quite difficult to get perfect slices and they are dangerous to use. One of my participant panels actually cut their finger with one once and had to go to hospital. Cleaning windows on the outside are very difficult to do, especially when it's upstairs on a second story. Normally a very long ladder is needed and it's very dangerous. Lastly, the leaves, flowers and hair that sit on the surface of the pool are annoying to get rid of. This usually requires you to take the pool net and skim out all the leaves. I chose 3 concept directions and then did more research into the areas. Firstly, I chose an automatic robotic device that swims around the surface of the pool, skimming up all the leaves on the surface into a net. The second design concept idea is a robotic automatic window cleaner that you place on the outside of a window that moves up and down the window and cleans the window automatically. And my third concept idea is a drill that has a self-drill bit changing mechanism. I decided to go with concept 3 because after doing more research, I'd found that concept 1 and 2 had already been done in one way or another. Therefore, my final concept direction is a drill that stores 8 drill bits inside of it, and with a click of a button, it changes the drill bits and feeds the desired drill bit into the chuck automatically.